Today's featured car of the day is a 1968 Plymouth Roadrunner Hemi with a 4-speed. This one I videoed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California, where it just happened to be Mopar night that night. And there was a great turnout of nice Mopar cars, Dodge and Plymouth. And this one being in the bright blue, which I think was probably the best looking color, always looks good. Had a bench seat with the 4-speed and the $714 option of the Hemi engine, which there weren't too many of those made back then. This one being a hardtop means it was probably a later made one, because I believe the early ones were post coupes. And on those, they made 840 with the Hemi, and I guess 449 4-speeds, 391 autos. These numbers could be wrong. I'm taking them off the internet, so you take it for what you will. And as far as the hardtops, which this one is, they sold 169 Hemis, and 108 had the 4-speed, 61s were automatics. So no matter how you slice it, that makes it a very rare car, because in 1968, Plymouth sold 790,239 vehicles and 44,599, or 377, whichever numbers you take, were Roadrunners. And out of that, the coupe was 28,978 for the post coupe, and then the hardtop 15,359. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.